Hello everyone, in today's video we will talk about Bastion host service in Azure, which has recently been launched as a PAAS service. We will look into a scenario here where you have some VMs running in Azure and on your on premise you do not have any site-to-site connection or express route and you want to RDP into those VMs or SSH. How would you do that? So in the first case, the IT admin will open the Azure portal on his computer. From there, he will connect to the VM and download an RDP file. The RDP file will directly connect to the VM on port 3389 for RDP using the public IP of the VM. So in that case, the VM requires a public IP, and if an admin needs to connect to the other VM, then he will download another RDP file. So let me show you a demo of it. So here I have my VM1 running in Azure, and I will click on connect, click on RDP as it's a Windows VM. It will download a RDP file which will connect to the public IP address of the VM. So to connect, specify the username and password and log into that VM. The other scenario wherein we can dedicate a one VM as our terminal server and we can RDP to that VM. From there we can do SSH connection or RDP connection over the private IPs of the VMs which we have in Azure. So even in this case we need to do RDP connection to a public IP on the VM. The third scenario is where we can set up a Azure Bastion PAAS service in our Vnet and we connect to that using port 443 over the browser. And from there we can do RDP or SSH to our private IPs of the VMs inside the Vnet. In this case, the traffic goes over port 443 to the Azure Bastion server. We don't need port 3389. Let us see a demo of Bastion host. So this is my environment where I have this VM. So we will add Bastion here. Click on create. We can name it anything. So it will be in my virtual network. We will have to create a new subnet for it where this PAAS service or Bastion will reside. So this is important here, the name. The name should be Azure Bastion subnet. So I'm going to copy paste it over here. So this is how exactly you should name it. You can't just name it anything for it to work. And then you specify the subnet range. So the subnet has been created now. Next, review and create. Then create. Bastion service has been created now. So here is my Bastion service. This is the public IP address assigned to Bastion service, and this is a standard queue. For my VM now, I will disable the public IP address and then I will connect it using Bastion. So I have disabled the public IP address of the virtual machine now. Now I will go to my virtual machine and click on connect. Here I will select Bastion and provide the username and password to connect to my VM. So here I am connected to the VM over port 443. So from my machine to Bastion PAAS service, the request is going over port 443 in a browser, and from there it is connecting to my virtual machine over port 3389 using the private IP as we have disabled the public IP address. I hope you like this demo of Bastion service, and this could be used in cases where we have port 3389 blocked to public internet and we do not have any express route or site-to-site VPN to manage our VMs. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.